How to log a film in your Letterboxd Diary. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, logging in movies into your Letterboxd Diary categorizes it by date. So I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser and then head over to letterbox.com. Then you can see log option in the top right. You need to tap on it and you'll need to search for a film that you want to add. And then you can just tap on the film, and then you can even put in a review tags if you want to. Just hit save. And now to check your diary, you need to go to your profile and tap on diary. And here you can see on which date you added which movie. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.